Shit. What's going on, guys? Welcome to a new upload here at GearTube TV. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you enjoy what you see here. And if you're a subscriber, thanks for subscribing. I really appreciate all the support. It's been a while since I've done a video, so let's go ahead and get into it. You know, I've been working on the truck a little bit, trying to make it look a little nicer. And, you know, we have the rack with no light bar yet. And other than that, I don't care too much for these OEM taillights. All right, I've debated quite a while about doing something different with them, and today we are going to. So what I want to show you, obviously it's a box, and I'm sure you figured out it has taillights in it. This is a box of ANZOs, and they are the newest release for the F-150 15 to 17s. These are LED with sequential turn signals. Okay, this is the newest from ANZO for 13th gen F-150s. And I just got back from Las Vegas. I was in Vegas during the last day of SEMA, and my trip was a nightmare. I lost half a day getting out there. I only had one day to investigate things and look around. If you know, which y'all should, SEMA is like an invitation only kind of thing. I wasn't invited. My trip coincided with some other things I was doing in Vegas. So there was one day for me to kind of snoop around and see if I can check things out. And I really want to go. So if I have the opportunity to somehow get to SEMA next year, that would be fantastic. But the little sneak peek that I got, it just looks like so much fun. And I really hope I can make that happen somehow. Whether or not I have to pull strings or pay somebody off, no, I'm kidding. But really, I would love to go to the SEMA show next year. And but anyway, I'm rambling. So I just got back from Vegas, and it's like 20 degrees here. It was like 70, 80 out there. It was so nice. But anyway, so we're gonna put these taillights in. And again, these are halogen OEM. And I put an LED bulb in the reverse light. That's the only thing I've done to these OEM taillights. And I'm looking forward to seeing how these ANZOs look. Let's get to it. These ANZOs, I saw them post on Instagram about it a while ago, and I know that it would be what I'd want to try. So I finally pulled the trigger on these. And again, I'm kind of trying to do this gray-black sort of theme, even though I have some chrome. My intentions further down the road are to replace the chrome things with accessories that are black. And the reason I want to do gray, which is the silver and black, is because I don't want hardly any chrome, but I want really bright polished wheels. And so that way it kind of sets itself off a little bit. But anyway, let's check these out. Check some quality here. If anybody's familiar with ANZO, they're obviously made overseas. These are made in Taiwan. And, you know, people, they can be hit or miss, I'll be honest. People have good things to say and sometimes bad things to say. But, all right, so we have our resistor here for the LEDs. Let's see, it appears to me that everything's sealed pretty well. I got some goop there that sealed those wires in. Rubber seal on the lights is good and snug. Checking around. Oops, let's just let's keep a hold of that. Anyway, so obviously the driver's side, and get a decent look at it here. Really unique design. It's got spikes, you know, like spikes in here, individual spikes. Turn signal should be around the perimeter. And I don't know if there's any other flash. This is obviously reverse. I don't know if there's any other flash out of there or not, but we'll find out. So that's driver's side there. Looks pretty good. And these are SAE, what the heck is that? The SAE DOT certified. So they are legal because they still have reflectors. A lot of times people get in trouble because you need to have that reflector there. And that's how they can get you with non-compliant taillights. In Pennsylvania anyway. Installed. Now something interesting I was looking at on these taillights, down at the very bottom here it says Eagle Eye. Eagle Eyes. So I'm not sure if Eagle Eyes is the name of the manufacturer that manufactures these for ANZO or what the deal is. But let's get to it. I'm talking too much. And real quick swap, basically, if you're not familiar with Fords, I'll take you over to the other side here and show you, so it'll be easier. Let me just take you out of the tripod. Alright, so on the taillights, you have a bolt there and a bolt down here, and then you just pop the whole thing back, and as you see on here, that's where those tips are. They go into a piece of rubber, like a rubber grommet, and then your bolts secure the taillights. So one last shot of it here with the OEM reds. We're switching to blacks. All right. Those are out. Now we just pull this basically straight out. Gotta kind of find the best place to get a hold of it. Oh, there we go. Okay. So there's that. Now, if you get this piece, you're gonna have to pop that off and put it back in your truck. So you gotta watch for that. Brown is top, green is bottom. So I'll get a pair of pliers and pop that off. Okay, so there's this piece, and you probably can't see, but over here, right in here, you just push it in. There it is. Okay, so wires are connected. I'm just gonna lay the resistor up here for now because I want to make sure everything works before I secure anything to the truck. Feed the wire looms back in. Line everything up. There, that there. Oh, let's see here. What are we doing? Okay, what are we doing here? We lined up, yes. Okay, so they have a little bit of a profile to them. They stick out a little bit from the truck. Let's go ahead and just cycle the key here. I know that lighting's horrible, but okay, so that was locking it. Ah, okay. This is the tail light. This is the sequential turn signal. Cool. All right, so that works. So I'll go ahead and put these bolts back in, and then I'll do the other side off camera, and then we'll close the tailgate, see what it looks like. Okay, I wanted to bring you to this other side quick to show you what I'm talking about. You got these tabs for those little spikes to go in, and on the passenger side, this one came off again. So if you look right here, that's the hole where it goes. There, you can see it. So all you got to do is take this, slide it right back in, and it should click. There it is. Okay, then you can proceed with putting the taillight in. All right, done deal. There it is on that side. And on this side. This side I think you'll get a little bit better look because of the lighting. All right, so this is 4 ways. The reason the taillights are on is because I have the door open. So that is the sequential turn signal. It's pretty freaking badass. Hell yeah. I like this. Sweet. I can't wait to take some good pictures out in some good lighting, away from the garage. So, all right. Good deal. You can see a little bit how it sticks out from the body if I walk towards the truck. But it's not bad. I don't know if you guys remember that one year of ANZO, the very first one they put out, how bulky they were. Oh my gosh, they stuck out to like there. So the part number is 311293, ANZO 311293. I ordered mine from Jegs, and that's because if you didn't know, I'm a Jegs affiliate, and they take care of me and I take care of them as best I can. So you can check the links below. Do some shopping at Jegs. And, you know, if you do that, it contributes to me a little bit, but it also mostly contributes to Jegs. I mean, it helps get their name out there, and it helps try to get me out there a little bit. So if any automotive stuff you need, hit up Jegs. Occasionally they have sales. Actually, they have sales quite a bit. So there's probably going to be some Christmas sales coming up. Check them out. Anyway, with that said, by the way, peep the hat. GearTube TV hat, a nice one at that. I wasn't sure how the blue was going to turn out, but I like it. I like it a lot. So that's it for this episode. I just wanted to get through the taillights, and it's a done deal now. Next up with the truck, well, I can't tell you yet. That's a surprise. Actually, the next vlog that we're going to do is with the ATV. I got some flat tires. You can see there in the back. And the front. And the sad thing is I do not ride this thing very much at all. I don't have the key, but I think it still has like less than 500 miles on it. But anyway, we're gonna be doing a video with this. So, might wanna check that out. Anyway, trying to conclude this, and I don't have any good conclusion for this video other than hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next vlog. Take care, bye. Oh wait, no, get yourself a hat or a t-shirt. Okay, now, bye. All right, seriously, I'm going now.